So today I'm going to be doing a back tab swap on the Taupe Haze 4s. So I got these tabs from JSO Colleges on Instagram. They feel really good, the material feels really nice, and I'm really excited to work with them. Also working with Jay, shout out Jay if you're watching, easy transaction, pretty friendly guy, easy to work with. So yeah, I'm excited to swap these out. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to use the seam ripper to rip these tabs off. Hopefully be able to swap them without damaging the shoe. So wish me luck. Alright, so here's an update. I just got the top seam off, so this part, it's kind of hard to do with one hand, but when I pull this back far enough, I'm able to get all this off. Let me see if I can do it with you with one hand. Kind of see it. So next part, I'm going to be cutting the seam of this, and that should be able to remove this tab. Yeah, I'll see you guys when I do that. Alright, so I just unseamed everything, so now I just have to pull off this tab. Okay, hopefully. Oh, there you go. Yeah, there you go. Oh my god, it's so strong. Alright, so this is how it looks without the tab. I'm going to clean this up and then prep it for the tab, the infrared tab we're going to be getting. Or just keep it like this. So I tried to clean it up as much as I could, and now is the scary part. So now we're going to be coming over here. So I have here some barge cement glue. I've kind of been prepping my tabs and curving them so it's easier for it to mold. And yeah, so first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to start by applying the barge glue. Whoa. This is kind of just a, well, this is really strong. On the other side, we're going to get the little guidelines on the side. Okay, and we're going to slip this in. I should have worn gloves, but it's fine. Alright, so I just tied up everything. Hopefully I didn't miss any more places to glue. Yeah, I'm just gonna have it mold to it, have the glue do its work. And yeah, I'll probably have it sit like this for probably half an hour, maybe to an hour. Check up on it probably at the half-hour mark, see how it's doing, if I need to add more glue or not. Yeah, and yeah, I'll just see you guys then. So it's been about half an hour, so I'm gonna take these vases off and let's see how the project turned out. Yeah, and there you have it. I ended up doing the second shoe off camera because it took a while and it was kind of the same thing, so I didn't want you guys to go through the repetitive process of the whole thing. But yeah, here they are. They turned out really nice. This was my first time ever doing a back tab swap, so definitely made a lot of mistakes. Definitely did better on the second pair, but still learning and still had some flaws. But other than that, it was fun. Yeah, these look really nice, to be honest. I definitely preferred this over the Jumpman logo, and it really helps that the Nike Air is infrared, so it kind of complements the other infrared parts of the shoe. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. Do you guys prefer the Jumpman? Do you guys prefer Nike Air? Do you wish the retail pair came out with the Nike Air? Who knows? Anyways, yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and yeah. Thanks.